The camera controls let you select and move one or more of the cameras. There are two types of camera controls: the view and the position. The topmost control activates the face camera, left camera, right camera, and so forth. You can scroll through these by clicking and moving your mouse through the types of cameras and see all the available cameras. There's the top camera, front camera, and so forth. The position controls appear below these controls and are used to move or rotate the currently selected cameras. Let's go back to main camera. And this control allows us to move or translate the camera left, right, in and out. This control allows us to rotate the camera around all axes. So what I'm doing is clicking and dragging